So, fellow humans, how you going today? Do I look suspicious? Did I do something wrong? Well, today I'll teach you how we use the word suspicious in Australia. Well, basically, first off, we don't use it as suspicious. That word is just way too long for our vocabulary. And if you know anything about Australian English, we like to shorten words. I've made other videos about it, and suspicious is no exception. But this shortening is very shorter than a lot of other ones. This one we just use sus, S-U-S, so it's the first part of suspicious. So we use the sus and we get rid of the suspicious part of the word. So, to use this word in a sentence, you would say, "Oh, that guy over there, he looks sus, man. What the hell is he doing?" So, in a normal English, you would say, "That person over there, he looks suspicious. I wonder what he is doing." So, you just replace the word suspicious with sus, and you're sounding more Australian. And when the police drive by, well, they're always suspicious of everyone. It's part of their job. So they were driving by, and they stare at you like that, because they're sussing you out. "You look sus, mate. You look sus. What are you doing wrong? You look sus, mate. You look sus. What are you doing wrong?" So, that is how we use suspicious in Australia. So when you go to immigration, you go, "I don't look sus. I'm not sus. I don't have cocaine up my ass. Please don't look so. Please don't." So thank you for watching. Hooroo. I don't have cocaine up my ass. I really don't. Get your hand out of my ass. Feels too good.